Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add custom thank you message in Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So this is going to be pretty easy. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you are going to be simply heading over to the top of your search bar, as you can see, and search in here for thank you. And once you do that, you need to search that in App Store, and eventually once you search that in your App Store, you can see everything is displayed in here. And we need to select for thank you page and surveys type of web builder. So you can see we have this thank you survey, and if you want a thank you page only, you can create that as well. You can see send us a feedback and stuff like that. Eventually once you add that onto your page, you will have your custom thank you page or thank you message in Shopify. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.